Okay, hello everybody. So welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to create a simple application to split the serial data. So the main idea is will be something like this. Looks like this. So if we have a serial port, we call this as a source, and we might wanna name it. This is up to you. You can name it COM1, COM2, but this is depend on your system configurations. But this is just for example, COM1. So it has a COM port name, and then we're gonna define the baud rate, parity, stop bits if required, or another parameters, serial parameters that you require to define on your applications. Okay, so this source is only act as a write only. Okay, so write only, and then on our application we're gonna split the value process. Okay, we're gonna process the value and split it with a threading, so it will run continuously as long as the data received from the source, and then we're gonna split into two COM port that has a same baud rate parity but different COM port name, and then we called it as a destination 1. It should be destination 1 here, but okay, whatever. So destination 1 and destination 2. So the destination 1 and 2 also update the data. The data will be updated and based on the value received from the source port. Okay, so the main idea something like that. Okay, without long words, we're gonna create a new project. Okay, I use Visual Studio 2017. Okay, I call something like this maybe. So folders, and then what do you call this? Actually short form, Windows Desktop, and then I'm gonna choose a Windows Phone app. So I call this application as a serial splitter or something like that. Whatever. Uh, this is this is up to you. What name you want to give it. So the main framework is I just keep it 4.5 maybe, the framework version. So okay, it's okay. I don't like this form 1, so I just name it as a maybe main form. Enter, and then you are renaming a file. Would you like also to perform rename in this project or reference? Yes, of course. Okay, now we have a main form here, so we can label this one as, you gotta choose text, and then form 1 maybe dashboard or something, serial splitter. Okay, got it. And then we're gonna make some section, some group section in here. So I'm gonna open the toolbox, and then open the group box, click and drag here. I can resize it afterwards. We can resize this afterwards. We call the text is source setting configuration source. I keep it like this. Keep it as simple, and then we're gonna add label inside this group, and then one text box maybe. Text box, and then button. Okay, So let me arrange this properly first. No, okay. Here we're gonna port the com name. Okay, keep it simple, and this is the connect button. I'm gonna name it as a BTN. I use a alphabetical order instead of categorized. I use alphabetical, and then I choose name, and I rename this as BTN Connect. Okay, so I'm gonna select this and copy paste. So in here I'm gonna use only 3 parameters: comport, baud rate, and parity. Okay, so the other parameter, if you require, you can add by yourself. So if require only. Okay, com name, and then we're gonna set the text is baud rate, and next one is parity, and then connect. Maybe around here, maybe not bad. So okay, good. So we got one group first of sort. So we're gonna copy this into 2 groups. Next 2 groups. So we call this as a destination 1 and destination 2. So we'll give it simple like this. Sort. Hold this as destination 1. You can have it whatever you want. This is just a sample, so we keep. Okay, sort destination 1, destination 2. So and then we're gonna add some we call this as a rich text box. So we logging we will logging each if any error or something, we're gonna display on the logging instead of message box. Okay, instead of message box. So rich text box. Maybe around here, maybe I put something like this, and I copy one of label, I make it outside here, and we give it text as a logging, something like that. Keep it simple. And then we're gonna add one more label, maybe label, yeah, one more label to show the value that we received from the sort a serial port. Okay, so I put around here. First I'm gonna name it as a value received from sort comport. Okay, and then I copy paste this one, make something like there. We just keep it something like dash or something, or question mark, and then we will what do we call this, we will set the outer size here as a false, so we can set the size as you want, maybe around like this. So the value is received from the search for destinations. It will be shown in here. It's better that I make this as a pop-up. Oh no, the system pop. No, no, just use it as a standard, so no problem. Okay, around here. Okay, good. So this is our arrangement. First, we're gonna set the each variable that we required on this what do you call this on this text box, but it's better that we will rename each component here, so we can call on the backend program, our backend program, easier. So something like this, txt box. I don't like this, so I txt. We keep it simple. Apps like com, so txt sort, yeah, com name. I'm gonna copy this maybe. So in here, I'm only replace the com name as a search baud rate maybe. So and the next one is txt search party, and then next this is one btn connect. This is already rename it, and this one, no, this is not txt search, but we're gonna rename it as dest1 com name, and I'm gonna copy the txt1 only maybe. Okay, so next one is this one. This. To home name. Oh. Okay, that's it. So text it as to parity, baud rate, and we're gonna focus on this rate. So destination com name, parity, destination one baud rate. We're gonna check again which is have a miss name. Okay, party, and then this one is btn sorry, btn. Okay, it's better that I btn search read. Okay, but the text only is a connect, so because of the search port is a read only, write only, so search to start write, right? Okay, and then this btn destination 1 read, and copy this, and this one is 2. Okay, that's it. Okay, last one is one, so we call it as a label, lbl search read, oh, lbl read value. We keep it simple like this, so it will be applicable for globally. So lbl read value. Okay, that's it. So everything is okay, and oh, this one I'm almost forget. I rich text box, maybe rtx rich text box, rtx logging. Okay, that's it. I think everything is okay. Okay, so the main form itself, we keep it, this is not maximized, so we not gonna make it as a maximize. So maximize box is false. Okay, and maybe we are not gonna resize the window itself, so we're gonna make it as a fixed size. So the size in current the current size, we're gonna copy this and then we're gonna go to maximum size and then minimum size. So we try to build this first. You can right click hit build or control shift B. Okay, build succeed. Wait, I'm gonna take a coffee. Okay, we run. You can simply press F5 or just press this button start. Okay, that's it. So you can see our Windows form is not resizing, and then our component is shown properly. So next we're gonna go to backend. Okay, so okay, for the part one, I think this is enough. Okay, the next part we're gonna go to the a backend script. Okay, so goodbye folks, see you next time.